Hello everyone, guess what? I bought a drone. Yes, I bought a drone, a very cool, completely cool gadget. So I have my DJI Mini 2 drone, I have my micro SD, I have my T and the entire setup ready. So let's unbox this together. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. So I have DJI Mini 2 drone fly more combo in front of me and we will be unboxing this together. I did a lot of research before buying this drone and I found out that DJI is one of the best brands for retail drones, and I was looking for an entry level drone. So this drone, DJI Mini drone, it is 249 grams, which means I don't have to register it while I use it. And I was looking at the budget friendly option at the same time. So DJI Mini Fly More combo costs $730 before tax, and this is Canadian dollars, and a standalone DJI Mini 2 drone costs $550 Canadian dollars before tax. Alright, so let's see what comes in the box. The first thing we see is this very smart and very cool shoulder bag. It has lots of compartments within it. It's very stable and sturdy. It has lots of different pockets to store all the different accessories of the drone. So let me open this shoulder bag for you, and as you can see on the left we have our drone, we have our accessories, and we have our remote control. So let's look at our DJI Mini drone. It's so beautiful. And notice how wonderfully it's sitting on my palm. It's super cute, super tiny. This is the gimbal protector. So gimbal is essentially a camera stabilization system or camera support system which makes sure that your drone captures great quality videos. Alright, let's look at what else is in the bag. We see the accessories. So let me pull up the accessories box, and seems nicely packaged and nicely labeled. Let me open it up, and I have the USB charger. I also have the batteries. So this is the case where there are batteries, the Fly More combo, and I'll be opening this towards the end. The Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries. This is the 2-way charging cable which we just saw, and then this is the USB connector, and we have Type-C cable. We also have USB-C connector and lightning connector as well in the package. Right, so this is the remote control, guys. So this is the one which will do all the magic. You'll be navigating your drone using the remote control. I'll open it again for you, and here I have nicely packaged user manual. It's very nicely packaged. They have the barcode, you can scan it to get information. I guess I haven't tried it, but yeah, so looks like my bag is all empty. I forgot to show you a couple of things which I'll show you towards the end. So here you have it. It's my drone and all the accessories with it. Now let's open up our DJI Mini 2, our drone. So the drone is held within a propeller guard. So as you can see, it's a propeller holder is used to protect the propellers. Now propellers are those tiny wings or those tiny things attached to drone's arm. So that's how you open it, and slowly I will be opening all the arms up and make the drone look like a drone, right? So one arm at a time. So there you go. It's very easy, very soft. And the below arm, you have to push a little bit down below, and automatically the arms will open up. So now it looks like a cute little drone, and I was really excited at this time to get my hands on it and start flying. So watch till the end. I have a couple of initial clips of how I started flying the drone and the scene, how it looks like. So watch till the end. So I also bought 128 GB micro SD card from Lexar while I was at Best Buy. I think this is very important to store all your videos within the drone. Now let's open up the remote control. So I'm opening this up. Now the remote is loaded with several functionalities. It has in center it has the toggle to switch between the cinematic mode, the normal mode. Down here it has the hidden joystick which you can pull out and attach to the remote for smooth navigation. And you have your battery buttons, and you have buttons to toggle between video and camera mode on the remote itself. So if you see, it's a tiny handy remote, very handy. Now you can pull this out, put your phone in the center and attach it with Type-C cable. So that was your remote. Lot of features. It allows you to seamlessly connect with the drone. Now I'm opening up the batteries. So the Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries, not 1, 3. One of them is already in the drone, and in this box we have just 2 batteries in it. Let me open and show you. See, one is in the drone and I have 2 here. Yeah, exactly there where the battery is stored. Now this can be charged. You can charge all the batteries, so you can pull out one of the battery in this case and charge all 3 batteries together. Funny story, I had this propellers on the top tiny compartment in the drone bag, and I completely forgot to show you guys earlier, so apologies for that. But here are the extra propellers and 2 joysticks. I also have a screwdriver to be able to fix anything in the Fly More combo, and the propellers come with tiny screws with it. That way you can install these propellers on the drone if required. Okay guys, so I have had my tea and I have unboxed the DJI Mini 2. I'm super excited. I'll keep you posted on how it flies, and I'll share all its video footages on my channel. So if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video and ask me more questions about DJI Mini 2, because I'm a proud owner of DJI Mini 2 now. So here is the footage of me, or actually my husband, trying to fly the DJI Mini 2 drone for the first time. It's just in our backyard. We are trying to learn it, and keep watching for the entire clip. Thank you so much.